Assalamu alaikum, my friend. Hope you are all well and safe. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are returning back, welcome back. Welcome. Today I'm going to talk about this 3D printer full protection enclosure. Big mouthful, isn't it? Yes, it's because I bought a 3D printer. That's a company called Creality, but to buy the Creality printer enclosure, I wasn't sure which one to get, and it's also like over 70-80 pound. So just to see if things works, how things work, because I'm new to 3D printing arena, you can say. So I bought this from Amazon. This company called SUNLU, I think, if it sounds like SUNLU 3D printer full protection enclosure. So without any further ado, let's start. Disclaimer. I'm not affiliated to Amazon or anybody or to SUNLU. They haven't gave me, or nobody gave me this product. Anything I say is from mine, and I paid for myself. So whatever I'm gonna say, that is for my own. So there you go. It came actually yesterday. I bought it. It came as it is. It's come that's the full enclosure itself. There is some fixing, the angles and joint, and some pipes. This one apparently it's supposed to keep warm, so it said keep warm, anti-fire and dust free, which is another big reason that I want to get it, because get dust, the plate where the bed is get dusty, so you have to make sure everything is clean. Because I had a problem with the printer, so I had to send it back, and this one came. I done the unboxing, as I said, the other day, and then I done some printing, just a basic setting I just gone through, and it printed perfectly. So cross my fingers and toes so far, because last time I said something and the next day it didn't work. Anyway, it comes with, as I said, this 8 pieces of this long one is 36 centimeter, 8 millimeter, and then you got number 2, which is this 31 centimeter, 8 of them, and then you got 26 centimeter, number 3 is 8 pieces. Then you got this little joints, these are 6 centimeter, they're tube, and they're like 12 of them. Yeah, 12 of them, 6 centimeter, 10 millimeter, same as the other ones. And there's a 3-way connector, which is corners. They are something like, I think you'll find 4, something like that. 8, and the enclosure itself, number 6. So that's that. I don't really like unboxing in a way, because then you have to go through all this thing. But if you don't do it, you don't know what you're missing, right? Okay. Put that on the side. Open this. What I'll do, I'll do a couple of them, show them that which one I'm doing, and then I'll do off the camera, and then before I set it up so that it doesn't make it long video. Please consider subscribing my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the like button or smash it if something you prefer in 2023 style. So it says 1 and 4. Remember the 4 was the DD ones. So do me the honors, just so that save me doing it. Thank you. So it says number 1 to number 4, and then number 4. Oops, sorry, number 1 again. This way. It's like doing those garden thingy, isn't it?
Recently you do that.
So then you got 1, 2. So this is gonna be like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's both sides. This will be way a bit long. That's better. So that will be 4 of these. Then you got this corners. Which is both end. Okay. And then you do the other ones, join them together, make the frame. So let me make the frame quick as I can. Now these ones, so I guess these ones, 2 of these for the side, 4 of them for the side, long ones, because they're 65. So they're 4 of these. It's really hot. Then again, winter coming, we'll be too cold. Human, aren't we? Always whinge. Oh, it's too cold. Oh, it's too hot. Why is it too hot? And then you go to Spain and France. Oh, where are you going? Oh, we're going for some sun. So when the sun come here, oh, it's too hot. People are so lucky me. Why can't people do holiday in this country first? Their own country. How many people been all over the? I've been, more or less. That's why I can say, because the way I used to work in the Navy when I was Marine, so I used to go around all over the place. Lucky me. And now I'm at home 24/7. So this goes there. Oh, yep. See if Moni might help me now. That's okay, I got it. I got it. That's what Nadia would say. Oh, I got it. So the long one there, the short ones are this one here, and then again this one here. It's like telling you, it's like doing this garden thing. We put that together, this too. Need to push it, and then the small one that way. No. So this frame is done. So now what actually is, we opened it. Well, not been opened it, just to see how it goes. Just to show you quickly, that will be the front. It's huge. So there you go, my friend, like how it is. Huge. Didn't expect that big. I had to move. So there it is. So now, a bit awkward for me doing this and keep balance. So I put it there for now. This will go inside that box. Drama. So what does it do is, I'll put it there. Once I put it inside, I'll come back. And that's gone the video. I do not know what had happened, but there wasn't any video after this. Nevertheless, I'm sure you must have got the idea how or what gonna happen next, or how that gonna look like once it's finished. Here are some photos for you to see how that ended. I apologize for the inconvenience if it may cause. Please let me know if there's anything I may missed in the comment section below. Any critique and suggestions help me and my channel, so do let me know if you find where I can improve my contents and my channel. Please consider subscribing my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the like button or smash it in 2023 style if that's something you prefer. Click the bell icon and tick the box with all so that will let you know when I upload my contents next time. Remember, life is short, so live long and prosper. Look after yourself and each other and stay safe. May Allah Ta'ala bless you with all the happiness, joy, prosperity, stability, and a long, healthy life. Please stay tuned, and I will see you in my next one. Allah Hafiz.